All right, now to get the absolute most from this program, it's imperative that you join our private student community. And I'll tell you why for a couple reasons, but first, it's really important that you just click the link down below this lesson and simply put in your email and we'll get you confirmed and into the group as soon as possible. You already paid for this group, and so you might as well take as much advantage of it as you can. And here's why joining this student community is so important. First of all, you never know who you'll meet within this community. You never know what tips and tricks and secrets will be exchanged. You'll be more motivated because you'll be working with like-minded people who are doing this process with you. Plus, I'll be in the community helping and guiding along the way with any questions you might have. We also have our lead coach, Kari, who's also going to be in the community answering any questions that you have along the way. We'll be sharing all the latest strategies. If any new AI tools are popping off, we can share that within the community as well. And overall, it's just a really good place to be. And you've already paid for it, so you might as well join in it down at the link below this lesson. And the learning potential of the Tube AI System course itself is a lot. You're going to get a lot of information within this program that has the potential of changing your life. Now, a lot of people aren't going to believe me when I say this, but the community, not only the learning potential, but also the implementation potential is enormous because you'll be more motivated because you'll see other people who are actually doing this. And overall, it's just a really good idea to join this community. These are people from all over the world who are doing this process, and you can network with a group of like-minded people who are doing this. You never know, like I said, who you might meet, ideas you might discover, and you'll be uploading videos along the way with this process. You might be uploading videos, and you might just get one tweak that causes your videos to blow up. And by implementing that one tweak, it could change the entire course of your channel and your life. And you may upload a video that might make you $300 per month for years and years into the future. And I say that because I've done it myself with so many different videos across all of my different channels. And as soon as you join the private community, make sure to leave a post within it introducing yourself. Basically just say, hey everybody, my name is Matt, happy to be in the community. And everybody in there is incredibly welcoming. I always try to keep this a positive place, and I try to keep it a motivating place as well. I'd love to welcome you home if you join it. And just as a reminder as well, this community is yours. This isn't my community, even though I'm the one that started it. This is your community. And that means I want you not to be afraid to ask any questions that you have along the way, because there might be someone in there that has an answer to that question. All that I ask is that you go through the program first to make sure it's not answered in there, so you're not wasting anybody's time. That's literally all I ask. That's the only stipulation on this. But as long as you do that, feel free to ask any questions that you have along the way. Either myself or Kari or one of the mini students will all help you out with there. And we really strive to answer every single question daily, so nobody's question will be ignored. And another thing as well is that I want you to post any wins or successes that you have along the way, because my most successful students are the ones that do that. Even if you're only celebrating your first 100, 1,000, 10,000 subscribers, feel free to post it in there. It'll motivate both you and all the other students. And basically it's a way for us all to mastermind together and just get better and better. And overall, that could be incredibly beneficial to you. Now in the next lesson, I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to use this program step by step, and I will see you there.